Hey guys, it's Adventure Man. I'm about to hit the Sawtooth Trailhead, 12.7 miles round trip, but I'm going to be going to Columbine Lake right after, which is going to be basically 13.1 round trip. And let me headed up this trail, and it is currently 8 o'clock. So I just saw 3 deer on the trail. Caught me by surprise. I looked up and at first I thought there was like a coyote running down towards me or something, which would be a little disconcerting, but it was just 3 deer. Where are they? I don't see them. Sawtooth Pass. Oh, look at all the flowers. I gotta get pictures of this. Here's the first creek crossing. I figured that was coming up pretty quick. That must be the trail. Slippery. This is the shakedown trip for my new GoPro, the GoPro Hero 7 Black. This looks like a camping area. I can still see the cars even though I'm well over a mile away. There's the trail. The creek. nice to be in the shade. Morning.
Going up over Sawtooth today?
What's that?
Going up over Sawtooth today?
Yeah, to Columbine and back.
Lovely. We just started our day there.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just doing my final training hike before I start backpacking. So,
Wow,
for
this
this
is
year.
a pretty badass training hike.
Yeah, I'm working on my endurance. I'm in pretty good shape, but
Yeah.
working on my endurance and stamina.
Nice. What's the main event that you're training for?
I'm section hiking the JMT.
Nice.
So
How many
yeah,
days?
I'm gonna
thing?
be on the trail a total of 2 weeks.
Amazing.
Awesome.
So
Have you seen this?
no, I've never been up here before.
Yeah, neither had we.
It's gorgeous.
It's pretty amazing.
How are the bugs? They seem pretty non-existent for
They're
the
there.
most part.
By
No,
Monarch, they
On the other side, they're there, and at the top, they're there.
but near the lake itself, they're
there. It's Sierras in the summer.
I hear it's only like 0.2 miles to the lake.
Yeah, you drop down pretty quick.
Yeah,
And then you're gonna come back, or are you gonna camp out there and then
I'm gonna come
tomorrow?
back.
Same day.
Yeah.
Just a little lunch rest mat.
Well, no, I mean I got my full like as if I was hitting the trail
got it.
today.
Yeah, super smart.
cool.
Yeah, that way, you know, I really get the best workout I can, and I'm going probably about 13.1 miles. And
Nice. Yeah, you're getting a lot. You're gaining a lot. You're giving up a little, and
That's
back
right.
again.
That's
how
right.
much? What's your poundage?
I haven't weighed it recently, but I know it should be in like the low 40s.
Awesome.
So yeah,
Yeah.
I'm happy with it.
Enjoy. It's so special up there. Go ahead, man.
All right,
After
thanks.
you. And enjoy your 2 weeks on the JMT.
Thanks. Happy trails. Thank you.
Hello.
Hi.
Where are you headed?
Columbine Lake.
Nice. Well, good luck in there.
Thanks.
It was really nice. We were there last night.
Thank you. Happy trails.
You too.
Thank you. That reminds me of Sawtooth Pass. I had one guy, the first guy I saw on this branch of the trail, it wasn't on film, but I mean, I hadn't seen anybody, heard anybody, and all of a sudden out of nowhere, I hear him when he's like 2 steps behind me, and he starts to say something and scares the crap out of me. Because I thought I was alone. I'm getting hungry. I think I need to stop for a snack break. Wow. Look at that fungus.
Morning.
Oh, jeez. Startled me.
I wanted to give you a little warning.
I appreciate
Sneaking up
that. Yeah, there's another guy who I didn't know he was there until he was 2 steps behind me.
At least I gave you a 10 or 15. So.
Yeah, I appreciate that.
Have a good one.
You too.